Okay, good. Guys, JDBC first application, we will see JDBC first application, guys. Hmm. First application, what are the steps, guys? Tell me. Step one. Yesterday, I clearly told you driver. Driver means what? Driver is a translator who translate your Java queries into which format? Database format.
API format,
Uh,
SQL API format.
yeah, because we are writing the queries at Java side, right? So using which syntax as your Java API rules and regulations, right? And who will
Yes.
execute this query? SQL will execute the query. SQL means Java means like here we are writing the queries using Java API syntaxes, right? String s equal to what? So create a table. Table name is called emp, something like this, right? Guys, create table. Table name is called what? Komal, please stop the video. Komal. Yeah. Komal can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Please. Yeah. Okay. Step one is what? So here we are writing the queries using Java syntaxes, right? Using Java API rules and regulations. That's what guys here. But who will execute these queries? These queries will be executed by
SQL.
guys. These queries will be executed by DB, right? Database engine. SQL queries execute DB database engine. But database can understand what type of queries means SQL API queries, right? Exactly. Okay, this is like database. Java application is database. Database required only what type of query guys? SQL API queries, right? But where we are writing the queries? We are writing the queries at Java side using Java API rules and regulations, right? Yeah, here in the middle we require one translator who translate your Java API queries into what? Database format or not? That is called driver, guys. Driver is a translator who translate your Java syntaxes into what? Database syntaxes, right? Exactly. That's what guys. One guy knows like English, one guy knows like Hindi. Then communication is not happen. That's we need a translator who translate our English to Hindi, Hindi to English, right? Yeah. First of all, that's what guys. Before communication, first we need to. Before communication, first we need what? Translator, right? Yes, sir. No. Without translator, can we start
Yes,
the
sir.
communication?
Yes, sir.
Without translator, we can't do communication, right? That's what first we need a translator. That's what guys. First of all, load the translator, right? Load the
Load the
translate.
JDBC driver.
Load the driver, right?
Yes.
Load the driver. Load the driver is nothing but a load the translator, right? Load the
Yes.
JDBC driver. Exactly. Nothing but a translator, right? Yeah. Guys, what is a driver? It is a translator. Translator.
Which translates Java API code to SQL API format.
If you translate Java API queries to what? SQL format, right? SQL API format, right? Yeah. Guys, first step is load the driver. After loading the driver, second step is what?
Creating the connection between Java to database.
Create the connection, right? Create the connection between Java application database. Step 3 is what, guys? Load the JDBC driver, nothing but a translator. Create the connection like database connection. Step 3 is what? Write and
process the query.
Write and what? Process the write and process the query, right? Exactly. What is step 4, guys? After processing, write and
release the resources.
Exactly. So release the connections, right? Nothing but a generally the student level we are saying connections, but application point of view we will say like resources, right? Exactly. Release the resources, right? Exactly. Guys, first day we discussed about the web application architecture, where exactly servlets are used, JDBC used. Complete information done first day. Second day we talk about the Oracle database because you are new to Java database. That's what we done the initialization and execution of some queries about the database, right? Very clearly we done. Third day, to write the application, Eclipse ID required. That's what Eclipse ID, JWE mode, Java mode. Okay, how many areas are there? Navigator mode, that mode, this mode. We done the points clearly. So now guys, first day introductions like web application architecture. Second day database, third day Eclipse ID. Today we'll start the first application. I think you guys are writing the notes, right? Guys, every day try to write the notes, guys, please.
We are writing.
Every day after the class, I'm sharing this class notes, right? Every day try to write the notes. When you do the notes, then only get the more clarity, guys, more confidence. Don't forget, try to write the notes. Okay, please. Guys, first step is load the driver, right? Yeah. They load the driver, guys. Guys, this step only it will take today complete day. Complete it will take this step only. This step will complete today, and tomorrow we have the class, and tomorrow we'll complete the remaining 3 steps mostly, and tomorrow we'll complete the first application, guys. Okay. Yes, first step is what? Load the driver. What do you mean driver, guys? Driver is a translator who translate your Java syntaxes to as API syntax, right? Guys, JDBC driver is a Java class, guys. Guys, driver is a Java class. Driver is, don't think like driver is separate concept, guys. Driver is a simply one Java class. Driver is a Java class, right? What the class like, driver is a Java class, guys. Driver is a Java class which will translate your Java queries into what SQL format, right? Exactly. Sir, what is the driver class name, sir? Guys, Oracle driver class name is like, Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot the class is called what? Oracle driver is a class, right? Yes, Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver is a class, right? Yes, Oracle driver is a class name. Okay. But this class is present in where? Where it is present? Is present in what? This is the package name, right? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver is the, guys, Oracle dot JDBC dot driver is what? Package name, right? Exactly. Guys, this driver is a Java class, guys. Oracle driver class name is this one, right? Exactly. Okay, so load the driver is nothing but load this driver class name, right? Java class, right? Guys, so load the driver is nothing but what? Loading the driver class or not? Sir, who give this class, sir? Sir, guys, this class is given by database vendors. Okay, this class is given by not Java, guys. This class is given by database vendors. Oracle vendor given the Oracle driver class, which translate Java syntaxes into what? Oracle formatted queries, right? Yes or no? MySQL vendor given the MySQL driver. MySQL driver, which is translate the Java API syntaxes into the MySQL format, right? Guys, then who given the driver class name? The driver class names are given by database vendors, right? Exactly. Guys, the driver class name, who given, guys? Is like JDBC given or database vendor given?
Database vendor given.
The driver class name given by database vendor, and he given the class, guys. The driver class name, this class is given by database vendor. How they given the dot class file means the driver class name given by database vendor in the form of jar file, yeah, basically. Guys, the statement is clear in the form of what? Jar file. Guys, driver is a Java class. Oracle driver class name is this one, is the Oracle driver class name. Oracle.jdbs.driver.oracle driver. Who given this class name means what? Who given this driver, guys? This driver is given by, tell me, who given this driver? The driver is given by
Database vendor.
The driver is given by database vendor in the form of what? Jar file, right? Exactly. Sir, where is the jar file, sir? Guys, the jar file location, guys. They given this class is given by jar file, guys. What the jar file contains, guys? The jar file contains the Java classes, right? Guys, jar file contains a group of what? Group of dot class files, not dot Java files, guys. Dot class files are there. Okay. Oracle driver class jar file location, guys. This is Oracle driver class, right? Oracle driver class jar file location. Where the jar file is present, guys, once if you install the Oracle, guys, where is the location of the Oracle? Local disk C, Oracle XC, app, Oracle, product 11.2.0, server, we have the JDBC is there. Here you can find lib folder. In the lib folder contains the corresponding jars here. Okay, this is the location basically. Guys, here how many jars you can find? OJDBC 5 and OJDBC 6 jar, right? So this is the main jars basically. This is not required. Just OJDBC 5 and 6 jar is there, right? It means in your system, if you install Oracle 11G, the jar files like OJDBC 5.jar is there and OJDBC 6.jar is there, right? Exactly. Sir, what is the difference between the dot 5 and 6? Guys, what do you mean jar? What the jar contains? Ashar, what is a jar contains? Komal, Lakshmi, Pratima, Praveen. What the jar file contains?
It contains it's a group of dot class files.
It contains dot class files, right? OJDBC 5.jar file is a group of dot class files, guys. These dot class files are generated using JDK 5th version. The class files are compiled using which version, guys? JDK 5th version. Guys, OJDBC 5.jar means what? The classes are compiled with JDK which version? JDK 5th version, right? Yes, or no? JDK 1.5. OJDB 6 means what, guys? The classes are compiled with what? JDK 1.6 version, right? JDK 6th version, guys. If you're using 11G, unfortunately, some production environments still they're using 10G, guys. If they're using 10G version, we have only one jar file is there, OJDBC 14.jar. As if you're using 10G means OJDBC 14.jar. If you're using 11G means what? OJDBC 5 and 6. Which one is the latest jar? OJDBC 6. Then you can go for OJDBC 6, guys. Next one is what? Oracle. Oracle what? 11G 12C is there. If Oracle 12C means what? OJDBC OJDBC 6.jar and OJDBC 7.jar, guys. Okay, so here also class are compiled with JDK 6th version, JDK 7th version, right? So like this, guys. So which version we are using? Go to this location, lib location, we can find the jar files, right? Yes or no? Guys, we understood driver is a class given by database vendor. Guys, driver is a class given by database vendor in the form of
jar files.
Jar file. Where is the jar file means? Go to and check this location. This jar file contains this class. Okay. Who given this driver? Who given this class, guys? Oracle driver class. The driver class is given by the driver class is given by database vendors, right? Exactly. Guys, if you want to see this, sir, I want to see this class files, Oracle driver class, sir. No problem. You can see. Once if OJDB 6 is there, na 5 or 6, anything is fine. 6 means the class are compiled JDK 6th version. 5 means the class are compiled JDK 5th version. Guys, 6th means what? Right click on this jar. Right click on this jar. Simply extract here. Guys, right click on the jar. Extract here. That's it. Right click on the jar. You simply can go for the extract here, right? Yeah. If you extract here means what happened here? Automatically folders will be generated. Okay. This package is nothing but a folders, right? Package is nothing but a folders. Guys, what is the driver class name? Tell me. Oracle.jdbc.driver is a package, nothing but a folders. Oracle folder, under the Oracle folder, JDBC folder, under the JDBC folder, driver folder is there, right? Yeah, go for the Oracle folder, Oracle.jdbc folder. In the JDBC folder, driver folder. In the driver folder, you can find like Oracle driver class file, guys. This is the class file. Guys, are you able to see, right? Oracle driver dot class, right?
Yes, sir, it is there.
Exactly. So this is the location. In this location, this class file is present, right? Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver, guys. That's what driver is a Java class. The Oracle driver class name is, this is the driver class name fixed name. This driver class is given by database vendor. This class is given by the database vendor in the form of the jar file. Where is the jar file means? In the lib folder. Sorry, if I'm using 11G means these kind of jars you can find. We can take this jar. If you're using 12C means what? We are using 6 and 7 jar, right? If you're using 18C means try to check the jar. If you're using 19C, try to check the jars. Okay, but definitely this is the class name is fixed. Class name is a fixed, but the driver class name is fixed. But if you're using Oracle 19C means what? Different jar file names are there, right? You try to check it. Okay, good. Guys, what is the first step? Tell me now. Guys, let me open Eclipse IDE. What is the first step, guys? We need to. Yeah, please respond. I know Java very well, yeah, but you have to know and you have to get the points right. That's what you need to
Load
respond.
the driver. Load the job.
You need to respond. You need to get the subject. If I'm repeating multiple times, I know already Java, right? Please respond. Yeah. Guys, give me 1 second, please. Stop sharing. Now we are not able to see the screen, right? One second, please. 1 second. Please, 13 or 14 date. Okay.
14th John.
The 14th. Huh? Okay, fine. Yeah, share the screen. Share it once. Yeah, able to see right now. Good, guys. You see, Java 10 name folder is there, guys. We create workspace right yesterday. We create workspace. Just click on OK.
Yes.
In the workspace, click on OK. Then workspace will be open, right? Guys, first step is we need to load the driver. Which driver we need to load? This is the driver we need to load, right?
Yeah.
This is the loading the driver means loading the driver class, right? Guys, how to load the class? To load the driver class, what we need to do? Guys, to load the driver class, what we need to do? To load the driver class. Guys, how to load the class files? Basically, to load the class files, to load the driver class, use the for name method, guys. Guys, to load the driver class, use which method? Use what, for name method, basically. To load the driver class, use the for name method, guys. Use for name method. It is a static method present in, guys, it is a static method present in what? Guys, it is a static method present in class, guys. The class name itself is called class only. Okay, the class name itself is called class, right? To load the driver class, guys, to load this class, use the for name method. It is a static method present in the class, right? That's what we need to call the class dot which method, guys, here? For name method. Class dot for name here. Here, class dot for name, you want to load which driver class, guys? This is the driver class, right? Just you can place this driver class here. That's it. Sir, I want to know the syntax of for name method, sir. No problem. If you want to know syntax of for name method, just you can check the API documentation. Otherwise, yes, if you want to check the for name syntax, right? To check the syntax of for name method, guys, just let me open API documentation. I hope Java 8 API, because I want to check the for name belongs to class, right? For name method belongs to class means class is belongs to java.lang package only. Okay, that's what. Let me open the java.lang package. In the java.lang package, the class name itself is called class. This is the file, right? In this file, once if you click on this file, in this file, when you click on this, guys, when you click on this class, right? When you click on this, guys, yeah, guys, here we need to go for the for name method, right? A B C D F G. Already for name is completed. A, B, C, D, F. This is a for name method, guys. Just click on this method. Okay, this is a syntax of for name method. Guys, for name method expecting the string class name, right? Guys, this is a syntax of for name method. Okay, for name method, it's a static method definitely. Expecting the argument like string argument. Expecting the argument like string argument. Expecting the argument like string argument, right? Yeah, so and it's throwing exception, guys. What the exception it is throwing, tell me? Guys, what it is throwing exception? Which exception it is
Class not
throwing?
found exception.
It's throwing like class not found exception. It's throwing like class not found exception means what? Guys, it's throwing like, guys, here the point is like, to load the class name, it's throwing like class not found exception, right? Class not found exception is like checked exception, guys. Basically, if it is a checked exception means what? We need to handle that exception, guys. We need to handle the exception using like using try catch blocks or throws keyword, guys. Good, guys. For name method throws. For name method throws what? For name method throws what? Class not found. Tell me, class not found exception. For name method throws a class not found exception, comma, it is a checked exception. Because when you're trying to load the class, if the class is not present, what happened here? Class not found exception, right? It is a checked exception, so must handle the checked exception. Must handle the checked exception. Tell me, guys, must handle the checked exception using what? Using what? Using try catch or what? Try catch or which keyword, guys, here? Try catch or what? Throws keyword, right? Exactly. Because for name method throws the class not found exception. It is a checked exception. So must handle checked exception using try catch blocks or what? Throws keyword, right? That is the point, guys. I hope now you got the clarity about this for name method. It is a static method throwing expecting the class name. I want to load which class? This is a driver class, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? Yeah, guys, let me open Eclipse ID. I think yesterday we create the project, right? How to create the project, guys? Go to the file menu, click on new. Guys, file menu, click on new. Java project you need to select. Click on give the project name, guys. Once if you give the project name, then what happened is the project name you will get. In this project name, guys, src folder is there. In the under the src folder, I created one class like test1 class yesterday, right? Guys, src folder, right click in src folder, new. Right click on src folder, new. I want to create like class. I want to create like class. Right click on src, new. I want to create the class. Right? What the package name we can give? The package name like com.tcs, a class name we can give, right? Click on main method, then click on finish. Then what happened? You will get this class, right? Exactly. Guys, here you can write the code. Guys, tell me the step one now. Guys, what is the step one?
Load the JDBC driver.
Load the JDBC driver. Guys, we are loading which driver? Oracle driver now.
Oracle.
Oracle driver means now tell me what the syntax? Class
Dot for name.
What is the syntax? Eclipse ID is not responding. Yeah, guys, here you can make the code. I'm teaching some corporate training here. In the morning we done that class, but I didn't send data. I forgot. This is like this is for the US employees. Today is 13th. Today 13th, right? Date day 4.
Today is 14th, sir.
14th, sir. For
For us,
US
13
13,
only.
yeah.
Mm.
US 13.
For them is 13.
So that's why you didn't take advanced Java.
No, this is the class by 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, okay.
Advanced Java, only 6 people are joined, right, today.
Mm,
Advanced Java, only 6 people are joined. That's what I cancelled the class.
okay.
That's core Java. I took the class morning. Yes, batches. I took the class. Yeah, step one is load the driver. To load the driver, guys, they are very dangerous. We will not teach like this. For them, all are only practical skills. Class dot for name, like tell me your class dot for name.
Oracle.
Driver class we need to give. What's the driver class name? Oracle data, JDBC data, driver data. The class is called what? Oracle driver. Right?
Right.
For you guys and for them, we will teach the same core Java, same advanced, same Spring only. But for you guys, I will teach like 2 months, right? Advanced Java, core Java. For them, they will teach like 15 days every course.
So how many hours are you taking?
1.5 hour only. Per day, 1.5 hour. 15 days we will take the class. 15 days core, 15 days advanced, 15 days spring 15 days like web services, microservices, and 15 days project. Total 2.5 months course.
So Indian team only or like American team?
No, the team is American team. Oh, yeah, they're very dangerous people.
They'll ask a lot of questions.
They'll ask the questions not related to basic things. They'll always ask the questions related to advanced things because they already completed some. They already will do the work, right? It's not like
Right. They are working people.
They'll not come to I don't know anything about the Java. I am attending classes. It's not like that. US batches. They know already some basic things. Okay. Then we need to put in the proper guide way.
Right. Yeah.
Project level, what they require, just put the proper guide way. That's it. They know, but they're not confident. I will make that the confident. Okay, this is the way. How can we do that? That's it. Good. Guys, class that for name is throwing which exception?
Class not found.
Class not found exception, right?
Spelling mistakes at driver.
Oracle driver. Yeah. Class not found exception, right? Eclipse ID exception handling code automatically generated, guys. Just to place the cursor, it is asking the question. What the question tell me?
Unhandled exception.
Unhandled exception type class not found exception. You want try catch blocks or throws keyword? What do you want? I want throws keyword as of now. Later I'll use the try catch blocks. Throws keyword let me use here. Guys, then problem is rectified, right? Exactly. Guys, are it clear now? But only one, guys. Driver loaded water. Driver loaded successfully, right? Exactly. Completed, guys. Task. First step is done. Every step will run the code. Okay. Guys, simply run this code. This is run button, guys. Are you able to see this button, right? This is run button. Directly can click this button, no problem. When you click this button, guys, here the console is there, right? Here we can see the output now. See the output, guys, here. I think we got the exception. What the exception, please?
Okay.
What the exception, please? Oracle.jdbc.driver data. Oracle driver is a class name. Class not found exception, right? Why this is class not found exception here? Because you are writing the driver, right? But tell me here, the driver is belongs to. Guys, the driver class is belongs to what?
Java.lang package.
Oh. Hey.
Oracle.
That lang package here. The driver class is the driver class itself is given by Oracle vendor, right? That belongs to the driver class is belongs to, I said, like they given this driver class in the form of the jar file or not?
Right.
Guys,
So
they given the
add the jar file.
We need to add the jar file, right? Because the driver class is there in the jar file, na? We need to give the jar file to this application, right?
Yes.
Guys, are you clear? That point is clear. We are loading this driver, man. This driver is given by Oracle vendor. Oracle vendor given the jar file in the form of the jar file, right? That jar file we need to give to this application, right?
Okay. So we have to add a OJDBC6.jar.
Exactly, guys. Okay. So to run the code in ID, guys, we need to build for the jar file, right? To run the code in code in IDE, must build path the jar file, right? Guys, must build path the jar file because the class is present in the jar file, right? Don't ask like why you are build path in jar file, because we are using this driver class in your application. In your application, if you are using this driver class and this driver class belongs to what jar file, right? That's what we need to build path the jar file, guys. To run the code in IDE, must build path the jar file, right? Exactly. Guys, to run the above code, let me place that above code here. I'll place the code here anyhow. To run the above code in IDE, must build path the jar file, right? Exactly. Is it clear now? Must build path the jar
So
file.
it is not finding the Oracle driver dot class. That is why the exception.
Because there is this class. This class is not given by Java, right?
Right.
This is not given by Java. It is not given by Java. Then how can I identify the IDE? How can it identify it? Then the Java. That's what, guys. Here we need to build path the jar file. Right click on the project, guys. Right click on the project, build path. Right click on the project, build path, configure build path, right? Guys, right click on the project, build path, configure build path. We need to click configure build path, guys. Go to the libraries. In the libraries, we need to go for the add external jar files. We're adding jar file, right? Add external jar file. Go and select the jar file. Okay, where is the location? I hope you know, right? Local disk C, Oracle XC, app, Oracle product, Oracle product 11.2.0 server, JDBC is there, right? JDBC is there, lib folder is there. Here OJDB6 we can select. Okay, just click on open. That's all here. Go to the file location, just select the jar file, right? Go to file location, select the jar file. Guys, from advanced Java onwards, first application is very, very important. Because first application only flow is there, right? Loading the driver, create the connection, write the query, process the query, close the resources. From second example onwards, you can check it once. From second example onwards, I no need to explain the loading the driver. I no need to explain the connection. I no need to explain the closing the resources, right? I need to explain only one step, how to write the new query, new execution, right?
Yes.
Guys, yes or no? That's what, guys, from advanced Java onwards, advanced Java, servlets, JDBC, Spring Boot, first application flow important. Because first application, it will take time to understand and take to complete application. Remaining applications are what? Just doing modifications, right? Flow is common, na? Guys, flow is a common, right? Just we are doing some modifications, right? Just we are doing some modifications or not? That is information here. Just click on OK. Guys, tell me. Yeah, tell me, guys. How can you build for the data? Build for the jar file, right? Right click on the right click on project. Right click on the project. Next, you can go for the build path. Build path. You can write the configure build path, right? Configure build path. Add external. Guys, add external jars, right? Right click on the project, build path, configure build path, configure build path. After that,
external libraries.
In the libraries, add external jars. Okay, go and select the jar file, right? Okay, go to the location and go to location and select the jar file, right? Yes. Select the jar file. Last step is what? Click on finish, right? Exactly. Because once the build path is completed, now can you please run this code? Because once the build path is completed, here you can see one point, guys. Here JRE system library, you're getting which version, guys? This is a Java support, right? Java SE 1.8. Java SE 1.8, right? Exactly. Yeah. But this is reference libraries, guys. What are the build path we are doing? We are adding the external jars, right? Guys, what are the external jars we are adding that comes under reference libraries? Okay. It is also important, right? What is the JRE system libraries contains? What are the reference libraries? JRE means your core Java, guys. Here the main file is like, we have the multiple jars, guys, but the main file is rt.jar. In rt.jar, we got the core Java packages. These are the core Java packages, guys. So java.lang package is there, just you can see somewhere here. rt.jar is a main file, guys. rt.jar is a main file, right? Exactly. Guys, sun dot, AWT dot, something like this. This is all the information, right? Yeah. This is all a jar file. If we extract. Yeah. So just if you extract here, you get the dart class files like this, right? Okay, fine. rt.jar is the main file, guys. Here, OJDB6 is this is a jar file, right? Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver na oracle.jdbc.driver. This is the file. Here we can find Oracle driver class name, right? Yeah, where is Oracle driver class name, guys? LMNOP Oracle driver, right? This is Oracle driver class file, right? This class file contains how many methods also? We can see those methods here also. These are all the methods, guys. These are information, right? Just if you double click on this, so here you can actually tomorrow I'll attach the source code, guys. How to attach the source code, I'll tell you tomorrow. So that I can see the Dart class file code here itself. Okay, I can see the Dart class file code. So we understood the reference libraries and GRE libraries, right? Whatever the build path we added, that goes to which libraries, guys? Reference libraries.
Reference.
We need to know, right, that folders, right? We need to know that folders. We need to observe this all the points, guys. While doing the development process, we need to observe this all the points, right? Exactly. The build path files goes to reference libraries folder, right?
Yes.
The build path jar files goes to referenced libraries, right? The build path jar files goes to what? Reference libraries or not?
Reference libraries.
Exactly. I hope you got the clarity, right? After the build path, guys, can you please run this code? Run means what? Directly here run button is there, no? That simply click on this file, guys. That's it. Then we got the message like, driver loaded successfully. If it is loaded successfully, then we got this message. Are you clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think we done only first step. Unfortunately, still first step is not completed. Still first step is not completed. You want me continue or you will try up to this one? You guys will try up to this one.
I am okay with it.
Guys, please respond.
We can continue. I mean, I don't know about that.
No, we can continue.
Oh, Asher.
Yeah.
What happened today on the fire festival?
What? What's it?
Today festival, na? That's what you are very strong, very.
No.
You are on the fire, man, today. Guys, load the driver. Load the driver means there is a class given by Oracle vendor. Oracle driver is there. Load the driver means load that class file, guys. To load the class, use the for name method, and we are loading the driver, right? Exactly, guys. We are loading this class, guys. Basically, when we load the driver, what happened? This driver contains one static block, guys. This driver contains what? One static block. Okay, let me open this driver Oracle driver class file code, guys. That class file code. Okay, if I show the dart class. Just let me open the Dart class file code, guys, so that you'll get the clarity. What the class file, guys? Oracle driver source code. Just you can type in Google Oracle driver source code, guys. Let me check the source code here. This is the source code of the Oracle driver class. Oracle driver source code, guys. Nothing but Dart Java file code, right? Exactly, guys. If I see the Dart class file code once, yeah, you guys also try to check the Dart class file, guys. Dot Java code. Oracle driver. Oracle driver source code, right? Exactly. Oracle driver source code, guys. This is a source. Check the source code. This is a link, guys. In this link, you try to check the source code once. This is a source code, right? Okay, the source code contains one static block, guys. The source code contains what? Static block. Tell me, when the static blocks are executed means the static blocks are executed during class loading time. when we load the class, during class loading time, the static block will be executed, right? Guys, during class loading time, the static block will be executed, right?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Guys, this is a static block that you need to focus. Okay, so this is a static block. This is a static block we need to focus, right? Guys, exactly. Guys, see this one here. Class, the class name is called what? Oracle, okay, driver class, right? Exactly. This class Oracle driver is a static block. So you forgot about what is complete code, guys, fine. But we take care about, like, this is the lines, guys. Guys, see, Oracle driver means what? Oracle driver static block class loading time it executed. Static blocks execute during class loading time, right? Guys, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Guys, when we load the class, when we load the Oracle, when we load what? Oracle driver class, guys. Tell me, when you load the Oracle driver class, okay, that class static blocks will be executed, right? Static block will be executed. What is the static block is doing? Tell me. When we load the Oracle driver class, guys, that class static block executed. That static block, what it is doing? Just it is creating object of that class, right? Oracle driver class, right? Yes or no? New Oracle
Yes.
driver class. It is creating object. After creation of object, what it is doing? Driver manager dot register driver. Whatever the object is created, default driver is reference variable, right? The reference variable is loading or not? Where he is registering? He is registering the driver in driver manager service, right? Driver manager dot register driver. Which driver is registering? What is object is creating? Is registering or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, it means loading the driver is nothing but when we load the driver class contains static block. That static block, what it will do, guys? It will create the object of the driver class and it will register the driver into driver manager service, right?
Yes.
Loading the driver is nothing but the driver object is registered in which service, guys? Driver manager.
Driver manager.
Exactly. That point is important for us. This point is important. Okay, very clear now. Yeah. Yes, when we load the Oracle driver, the class static block executed. The static block will inside the static. Guess what you can say? The static block executed. What the logic, guys? Static block logics. What the logic? Here, Oracle driver class object is created. Oracle driver class object is created. And created driver object is registered in what? Driver manager service.
So the step for using the driver manager, don't register driver, we register the Oracle
loading the
driver.
driver. Just we are loading the driver means when we load the driver, that driver class contains static block, right? That static block will do the registration process. Loading the driver is nothing but it is automatically registering service also.
Okay. For registering, we use driver manager dot register driver, right?
Driver manager dot register driver is there, right?
Yeah.
That we are not doing, right? That is automatically doing, right?
Okay.
This code is written by, we are writing this code. This is code written in the Oracle driver static block.
Okay.
Oracle creator class static block, right? This static block we are not calling, right? When you load the driver, the static block automatically executed. So driver is automatically created object registered, right?
Okay.
Loading the driver is nothing but it automatically registers the driver into driver manager service. Automatically how it is done means because of static block, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The static block logic is right. So finally we decided when we load the driver, what happened, guys? When we load the driver,
static block automatically registers.
Load the driver. When we load the driver, what happened, guys? It automatically registered in what? When we load the driver, it will automatically automatically register in which service, guys? Here, driver manager service, right? Automatic registration driver manager service, right? With the help of what? With the help of, tell me, static block present in, with the help of static block only, right? With the help of static block logics present in what? Oracle driver class, right?
Oracle driver class.
Exactly. Oracle driver class, right? Yeah. Because when we load the driver, it automatically registers the driver manager service. It automatically register the driver into driver manager service, right? Yeah, guys, when we load the driver, okay, it will automatically register the driver into, okay. When you load the driver, it will automatically, the driver is automatically registered into driver manager service, right? The driver is automatically registered into, when we load the driver.
Yeah, it's automatically registered in the driver manager.
Automatic, it will automatically register when we load the driver. The driver automatically what? Registered into driver manager service, right? Yeah.
Yes.
This is a correct one. Okay. When we load the driver automatically registered in driver manager service with the help of what? Static block logics present in Oracle driver class, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So finally, we decided loading the driver means with the help of static block is automatically registered in what? Driver manager service, right? Driver manager is just a service where all the drivers are stored. All the drivers are available, right? Guys, in your system, operating systems, in your operating system, we have the device manager. Anyone knows that?
Yes.
What the device manager contains? All the drivers, right?
Like drivers, yeah, like all the hardware.
Keyboard drivers, mouse driver, like, you know, we have the option like device manager. So device manager is there, right? Yeah, device manager. In the device manager, yeah, this is my device manager in the control panel. Fine. Just you can open the device manager once. Once if you open the device manager, you can get the camera drivers, audio drivers, video drivers. In future, some keyboards, mouse are not working. We'll update the driver, right? Some case it will work. We need to update the drivers. So this is like you can see, guys, operating system level, we have the device manager. Device manager means device manager is a service where all the drivers are registered, right? Guys, disk driver. If you want to update this disk driver, right click here, simply right click here, update driver, right? Uninstall device, something like this. Okay, sound, video, game controller, something like right click here, update driver, right? Exactly. So device manager is a operating system level. Okay. So driver manager is the JDBC level. Guys, in Windows operating system, if you want, let me write that point also. In Windows operating system, we have, like, you know, device manager option, right? Device manager. Device manager means what? In Windows operating system, guys, we have the device manager. Device manager means here all the drivers are what? Register, right? Exactly. Okay. In JDBC programming, guys, driver manager is a service, guys. In JDBC programming, okay, programming, driver manager is a service. Driver manager is a service where all the drivers are what? Register, right? All the drivers are registered. That's it, guys. As in JDBC programming, driver manager service where all the drivers are registered or not. So finally, I hope you got the complete idea. Loading the driver is nothing but the driver is automatically registered in driver manager service with the help of what? Static block present in the driver manager class. I hope you are clear about what is a driver class, who given this driver class, where is that jar file is present, how to load the driver class, how to build apart the jar driver class, okay, and what the Oracle driver class static block is there, what the static block is doing. Everything is fine, right? First step we done successfully. Yeah. After this much explanation, we done the first step only. That's what, guys, what I'm saying. First application is very, very important. ADV Java 10. Okay, good. Guys, that's all for today class. We'll meet in tomorrow. We'll continue. Tomorrow we have the class. Guys, try to complete the formalities, guys. The guys who are going to continue for this batch, and we'll share the required sessions and the documents, guys. Please complete the formalities. Almost all we done the 4 classes, right? If anyone missed the previous classes, already 2 videos are uploaded here. Let me upload the 3rd video also in youtube.com. Just you can go to YouTube. In YouTube, just to say Advanced Java by Mr. Ratan. Okay. Yeah, just you can type what Advanced Java by Ratan, right? That's it. Advanced Java by Ratan, if you type, so that you will get the Durga software. Advanced Java by Ratan, then 10 a.m. you can click. Yeah, this is like demo 3. This is today 4th class, right? Today 4th class, guys. This is yesterday file. This is yesterday file, right? Yeah, this is yesterday file, guys. Guys, if anyone missed the previous classes, you try to check the classes from here. 3 classes, right? I hope everyone knows this link. Anyone is a new to class, you try to check this link once. protectortest.com/advancedjava10. When you open this, it is asking password. The password for that link is what? Java. JAVA is the password. Guys, please respond in chat. The students who are paid for the package, already paid for the package, just respond in chat your mail IDs so that they'll give access today. The guys who are paid for only Advanced Java, make it Advanced Java. Advanced Java, sir. Rafi, give the information clearly. You paid for both core plus advanced or only Advanced Java, then give your mail ID. That's the point. Praveen, you're paid for only Advanced Java.
Yes, sir.
Why core Java then? Okay. Rafi, you paid for both core and advanced. Fine. Samir Doc 1, but 4 core Advanced Java. Praveen, you are paid for only Advanced Java, right? You are saying?
Yes, sir. We'll pay today.
Lakshmi Sweta. Okay, fine. Lakshmi Sweta will take care of you.
Okay, sir.
One these people are Narendra Jaiswal. I think you are the old batch, right? Previously paid, right? Recently you paid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am Advanced Java, that 8 a.m. batch. So
Okay.
I am attending this for JDBC.
Okay, fine. Any other?
Sir, this is Komal Khole.
Komal, tell me here.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to ask you, is the core Java class already started?
We have the 4 classes completed. Just like your
4
Advanced Java.
Okay, so what is the batch timing for the core Java?
9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Or after 10 a.m. we have the advanced Java, correct?
9 to 10 core, 10 to 11 advanced.
Okay. So how many days it will be taken?
Today is your first class. Advanced Java, I already attended 2 to 3 classes.
Sorry?
Advanced Java is today first class?
Yeah. Yesterday I have joined for the advanced Java and today as well. So second class this is.
Okay, then fine. I hope you understood product test, right? In the product test, I'm placing the links, right? Last 3 classes videos, these are.
Okay. Can you send it to on the chat book so I can go through it?
I already placed in chat. Yeah, try to open now itself. protectedtest.com/advanced Java 10.
Okay, okay. Give me a
Just
second.
copy that link.
Sir, we will automatically get the link, right? This is Pratima.
Fatima, you paid fees now, so that today they'll get access. They'll get access for you guys.
Okay, okay.
Just you enter the
I
mail.
didn't give my email ID, so like,
Give the ID.
like advanced Java only, right? So it will continue.
Okay, yeah, it is handle access. Actually, sir, I wanted to ask you, are you completing core Java, advanced Java with UI changes, correct?
Yeah,
Okay,
because
okay. Yeah.
we are responsible to write the UI also, right? While doing the form page, registration form processing and all. And
Yeah.
Komal, this is like, for advanced Java, you are looking for the core Java also, right?
Yeah.
If you attend core Java means the previous videos I'll share with you. The same you can open the protectedtest.com/CA9am is the class. Try to open this link once.
Okay.
It's also password is what the password you entered previously?
I uses the Java.
Same password you can use here also. JAV is a password.
Okay.
When you open the password, here we have the video links, right?
Okay, yeah, video links are there.
This is the core Java videos. 4 classes done. Advanced Java also 4 classes
Okay,
done,
okay.
right? Okay.
Okay, okay. So I will go through that one, core Java and advanced Java, and
Okay.
I will reach out to the that
Tomorrow
contact
you can
person.
join the class, like same meeting, like same IDs you can use the join the class. And if you need a core Java link, already that's it. Just let me place that link if you want. Advanced Java link that you have, right?
Yeah, yeah, I have advanced Java.
Core advanced, yeah. This is the 9 AM link. Okay. Just if you want, just you can copy this link and you can place you. Yeah. This is a join link for that core Java by 9 AM.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Can you please save all the file, all the links, otherwise you'll forget.
Yeah.
First link you can save like advanced Java 10 AM, advanced Java 10, and second link CA 9 AM, core advanced 9 AM. This is the core Java link that will join from tomorrow. Okay, we'll join tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. So class will be from Monday to Saturday, correct?
Monday to
Or the
Saturday.
Sunday as well?
No
Okay.
Sundays. Sundays holiday.
Okay.
Sundays holiday, Monday to Saturday you have the classes.
Yeah, yeah.
Any other questions, please?
Sir,
Tell me. Yeah.
I tried to resolve the TNS, but no.
TNS.
Yes, sir.
Place the error once. TNS error in Oracle, right? TNS error in Oracle. Common TNS error, how to troubleshoot. See, when you got this issue, Praveen, just you need to go for the services. Just try to open the services. In search, services is there. Services. When you open the services, we have the Oracle services. You try to open. If you open the services, here you can find the Oracle.
लैपटॉप या पीसी का फुल कर
Arey yaar, what happened? Services, right? Just click on this. Yeah, it's open now. Guys, in the services, see, somewhere when you got the issue, like, services are stopped, TS are never, this kind of issues, guys. Go to services folder, services once. In the services, just you can go for like, Oracle services, guys. We have the Oracle schedule. Oracle schedule X is there. Oracle service X is there, right? Oracle X service X is there, right? Which mode it is there? Praveen, your system. Oracle XC TNS listener is there, right? TNS listener, which is the what is the mode it is?
Active, running.
TNS listener running automatic style is there.
Right, sir. Yes.
Do one thing. Oracle job, Oracle MTS, Oracle service, Oracle XC, Oracle TNS is there, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
the things, just right click once. No, just you can click on that one. Okay, then here are the option like start the service, right? Just click on the start service once. Oracle service XC means what? Restart once. Okay. Remaining thing start. If already started means restart.
Okay.
Try to do that and try to guys, when you got the Oracle issues, you try to restart the services. Some cases services are stopped. You need to start the services. Most of the problems will be rectified. That is the case. Okay. That services wise you can see, guys. First of all, when you encounter the TNS error, we need to understand relative to the network communication between the client communication connection to actual database, right? Generally, TNS issues are not caused by Oracle database. Okay.
Running.
So,
Status is running automatic. Startup type.
Which one? Oracle startup type.
Yes, sir. Oracle service XC is status is running.
Just you can restart once.
Okay, restart.
All services restart once. If
Okay,
already
okay.
started.
Hello.
Tell me, Ashir.
Actually, when I tried to download the Eclipse Oxygen, I extracted it to a file called Eclipse. After that, how we have to launch the Eclipse?
Once if you extracted, you get the folder Eclipse folder, right?
Yeah.
In Eclipse folder, are you able to see the symbol in the taskbar? I can see like brownish and some white lines are there, right? This symbol is able to see.
Which symbol?
Array, this taskbar. My control is the just mouse cursor. This one.
This one. Which one? I cannot see it.
One second then. Java software's Eclipse folder. If you open, can you find this one Eclipse? One second, it's loading here. Yeah, this is the symbol.
Yeah, you can see it.
Open that symbol.
That symbol, okay.
Can you provide us the link for the Eclipse?
Yeah, now it's opening.
Now it's opening, and before it's not opening. It will open if you open, right?
It's asking for the workspace.
Remaining story, right?
Okay, I'll do that.
What the guys? You need Eclipse, right? Eclipse, JEE Axis and download. Try to download the Eclipse JEE concept, guys. This is Eclipse packages. Guys, here we can see like directly link I got. This is a directly Eclipse ID for JEE developer. Windows 32-bit and 64. This is a 64-bit, guys. 86 and 64. This one you need to click.
Okay. Now it's open for me. It's open.
No problem. Not for you. One of your friend is asked that question.
Okay.
Guys, like that, if you face the issues, let me know. Okay, I will take that points. Don't struck. Yesterday IDing. Yeah, this is a link for the download link, guys. So in this download link, eclipse.download.org, actually Eclipse up to R, if you type, what you will get, like, Java ID also you will get. Yeah, this is for the multiple packages we can see from here onwards. Okay, here you can see only JW developer. See, up to R means what? You get the multiple packages. Eclipse ID for JW developer means directly you go click on when you get the JW developer, right?
I tried to
Yes, sir.
download the Eclipse. I got this one, sir.
Mm,
Multiple packages. Is R.
mm.
That's
Guys,
why
this Access and R package is fine. Guys, Eclipse ID Java JW developer, right? We need to click on this, okay? We need to click on 64-bit, right? Yeah, only for Java developers means what? This is the data, guys. Eclipse ID for the Java developer. We can see only Java developer means this is the data. Okay, clear, right? Only for Java developers means this one. It supports only core Java applications. But servlets and the JSP we need to check, right? That's what you can go for the Eclipse ID for the JW developer basically. Okay. Guys, are you clear now? Eclipse ID for the JW developer, right? Exactly. Yes, next one is what? Eclipse ID for the CCP developer, Eclipse PHP developer and all. But anyway, we decided, like, JW developer, right? That's what it is there in the first place itself. Just click on this file now. Then you'll get the packages like this, right? So it is there the 717 itself. Oh, fine, no problem. Just you can click here. You get the new packages. The newer package available means just you can click here. Now present, like, the new packages under 2021, right? So this is like, R packages is there. Eclipse ID for the Java developer. This is a Java developer, guys. I don't want this, right? Eclipse ID download directly packages. Hey, you try to do this from here onwards, it's better. Eclipse ID org download packages are there, right? In the packages, you can see this is the newer package, it seems. Eclipse ID 2021, right? Yeah, guys, from here, Eclipse ID for the Java. This is first the Java developers, guys. This is like enterprise developer, right? Enterprise developer, guys. Here we can need to click for the Windows. Only 86 and 64 is there, right? We need to click on this. We need to click on this, right? Guys, directly download option is there. Guys, give me a second. Yeah. There's this case, like, click on download. That's it. Eclipse ID JW. Thank for downloading. Download is started, right? Exactly. This is the new packages, no? I'm using 200 Mbps internet, guys. So we'll get that very fast. Will download. But I need to check what version of IDT is downloading. Okay. Anyway, you got the idea, right? So if you go for this links, that is a different way. Guys, who is asking that question? The point is clear, right? Downloading Eclipse ID.
Yes, sir.
You can go for this one, guys. This is better because this is showing releases Oxygen version directly. Releases Oxygen specific version. You are going for this one. No means just you can go for these packages. These packages are showing which version that we need to check. Okay. Is it clear now?
So in the class, we will make a web application and connect from a client machine, right? To that, the client side.
That is only web application, right? Okay. Yeah. Guys, you try to do that. We'll meet in tomorrow. We'll continue. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.